fastest visit visas you can get in 2025. Planning a vacation or business trip in 2025 and don't want to wait weeks for a visa? Good news! Some countries now offer incredibly fast and traveler-friendly visa options with processing times as short as a few minutes. In today's video, we're revealing the fastest visit visas you can get in 2025, how they work, who's eligible, and some tips to make the process even smoother. Let's jump in. Number 1. United Arab Emirates UAE processing time. Instant to 72 hours visa type. E-visa visa on arrival eligibility. 70 plus nationalities, including the US, UK, EU, Canada, Australia, and more. The UAE, home to Dubai and Abu Dhabi, has one of the most efficient visa systems. Travelers from eligible countries can simply arrive and get a visa stamped at the airport or apply online for an e-visa within 24 to 72 hours. Tourists can stay from 30 up to 90 days depending on their nationality. Bonus tip: use the UAE's official immigration portal for quicker processing and avoid third-party delays. Number 2. Singapore, Southeast Asia's travel gateway. Processing time 1 to 3 business days. Visa type: e-visa visa-free access eligibility. Over 160 countries, some with visa exemptions. Singapore's digital visa system is highly efficient. If you're from an ASEAN country, you might not need a visa at all. For others, the e-visa is applied online and issued via email. Plus, the ICA Immigration and Checkpoints Authority offers a safe travel concierge for smoother entry. Did you know? Singapore's Changi Airport even lets eligible travelers use automated immigration gates. Number 3. Thailand, visa in minutes for many processing time. Instantly visa on arrival to 3 days. E-visa visa type: e-visa visa on arrival eligibility. 60 plus countries. Thailand's visa on arrival allows you to get a stamp at the airport for 15 to 30 days. Their e-visa portal lets you apply in advance, receive approval via email, and enjoy faster airport clearance. Tip for digital nomads: Thailand also launched a special 5-year visa for remote workers and investors with relaxed travel entry rules. Number 4. Sri Lanka, the ETA advantage. Processing time under 48 hours. Visa type: electronic travel authorization. ETA eligibility: almost all countries. Sri Lanka requires almost all tourists to get an ETA, but the process is straightforward. The ETA can be approved in under 2 days and sometimes instantly. It's valid for 30 days and can be extended. Travel hack: always apply directly at the official ETA portal eta.gov.lk to avoid inflated third-party charges. Number 5. Georgia, Europe Asia gateway with easy entry. Processing time 1-2 days. Visa type: e-visa visa-free access eligibility. Over 95 countries visa-free. Others can apply online. Georgia is a hidden gem that's rising in popularity. Citizens of many countries can visit visa-free for up to 360 days. Others can apply for an e-visa online. The process is simple and very traveler-friendly. Pro traveler tip: Georgia doesn't require proof of income or complicated documents. Just basic ID and travel plans. Number 6. Kenya, visa-free. Now tap. Processing time: a few hours to 48 hours. Visa type: electronic travel authorization. ETA eligibility: all nationalities. In 2024, Kenya made a bold move. They scrapped visa requirements for all foreign nationals and replaced it with a simple ETA system. Now every tourist just needs to apply online for an ETA, which is granted quickly and sent via email. Pro tip: the ETA costs about $30 and should be done at least 72 hours before your flight. Number 7. Nigeria, new fast-track system in place. Processing time 24 to 48 hours. Visa type: e-visa coming 2025 eligibility. Visitors from all countries. Nigeria is rolling out a fully automated short-stay visa system in 2025. With this upgrade, tourists can apply online and receive their visa via email in less than 2 days. This applies to business travelers and tourists. Insider note: Always check Nigeria Immigration Services official site as they're currently overhauling the system for better global access. Number 8. Turkmenistan, a new player in the e-visa. Space processing time to be finalized in 2025 visa type. E-visa eligibility. Global, long known for its restrictive entry policies, Turkmenistan is opening up. A law passed in early 2025 now enables an e-visa platform, streamlining what used to be a difficult visa process. Note, this system is expected to go live mid-2025. Keep an eye on embassy websites for launch details. Number 9. Schengen Area Europe. Selected fast processing countries processing time 5 to 20 days, depending on country visa type. Schengen tourist visa eligibility. Citizens from most non-EU countries, though Schengen visas usually take time. Some countries like Switzerland 5 to 15 days and Italy 15 to 20 days process visas faster than others. Applying through these consulates can be a smart way to enter Europe quickly. Tip: ensure you apply at the consulate of the country where you'll spend the most time or where your trip begins. How to maximize speed for any tourist visa. 1. Apply early. Always start the process 4 to 6 weeks in advance where possible. 2. Use official channels. Apply via official embassy or immigration websites. 3. Be accurate. Mistakes in your name, passport number, or travel dates can delay approval. 4. Have supporting documents ready, including return flight tickets, hotel bookings, and proof of funds. 5. Monitor email. Most fast visas arrive by email. Check spam folders and inboxes frequently. There you have it, the fastest visit visas you can get in 2025. Whether you're chasing the beaches of Thailand or exploring skyscrapers in Dubai, these destinations make travel easy and accessible. Drop your destination of choice in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and visa updates. Safe travels!